Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. Has this happened to you? Well, if it has, that means that the hooks on the bottom of your hook and loop pad have melted away to where it won't hold the disc on anymore. Now, you don't have to just get rid of your sander and get a new one. You can install a new hook and loop pad, which is what I'm going to do today. You can get these on Amazon for just about any brand or model sander that you need. Just go on there and type in the brand of your sander and the model number. This is a Bosch ROS 20VS. Just type in the brand and model of your sander. Type in hook and loop pad and you'll get what you're looking for. They come in singles, 2-packs, 3-packs, maybe even more. This is a 2-pack right here. That way we'll have another one on hand just in case the new one I'm getting ready to install gets in bad shape. We've used this one for somewhere around 5 years, so it's lasted quite a while. This is the one that originally came with the sander, so you can get some pretty good use out of them. Now, ways that you can keep them from wearing out so quick is to, not press down on the sander so hard when you're using it. Just kind of let it lead itself along. You can put a little pressure, but just don't push it down to where you're bogging the motor out. And this right here is definitely a no-no. Don't sand on the sander's edge. That will melt the hooks off around the edge really fast. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we've got. Alright, we do have 2 in there, so that's good. Anyway, there it is. Get her out of the plastic right quick. And I can already see that those hooks are a lot bigger than the ones that are on here now. They almost don't exist anymore. They're almost completely slick. So yeah, that's definitely going to be a big improvement. Now the screws that are on the bottom of this, they're actually Torx bit screws, and there are 4 of them. And in that case, something like this comes in handy. Little multiple size Torx bit driver. Now I'll go ahead and take the old pad off by removing these 4 screws. There we go. Now since we have this apart, it would be a good opportunity to give it a good cleaning. Alright, now all we've got left to do is put on the new pad. Now see there? Don't that look better? Now let's put us a disc on here and let's see what happens. See what kind of traction we get. Alright. Don't have to worry about them flying off of this one. One thing to note too, when I took these screws out at first, they're not really tight, so just make sure when you put this back together that you don't put too much torque on these screws that you might strip them out. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our content. Till next time, happy woodworking.